Go ahead.
Okay, so my name is Samreen Khalid, and I have done Doctor of Pharmacy from Dow University of Health Sciences from Pakistan. And since then, I have been associated with teaching. I have taught in Beacon House School System and Roots Millennium School as well. There, I was teaching science subjects, basically secondary and O levels as well. And also, side by side, I have been associated with online teaching, science subjects, biology, chemistry, and secondary science as well, to international students and from students belonging to Pakistan as well. These two cells and what are the structures and the characteristics of plant and animal cell. All right. Before we start, there should be some objectives for today's class. So our objectives for today is that at the end of the class, you all should be able to identify the different parts of a plant and an animal cell. Also, you all should be able to compare plant and animal cells, and you should know what is the importance, why we are studying the different parts of a plant and the animal cell. So, before knowing the animal cell and a plant cell, you all should know that what is a cell? Cell is the smallest unit of living organisms that is capable of performing life functions. Basically, it means that every living organism is made up of cell. Means there are so many organs in every living organism. There are so many tissues. Every tissue is made up of a smallest unit of living organism, that is a cell. Also, you cannot observe the cell by your own eyes. You have to observe it under the microscope because it is very small. And all living organisms, whether it is a plant, whether it is an animal, it is made up of a lot of cells. Now, there is a question for you all, that are plant and animal cells the same or different? They have to prepare their own food by the process of photosynthesis. So the cell of a plant is made according to that function, right? So in the screen, you can see that there are two cells. You can see the anatomy. Anatomy means the structure of the animal cell and the plant cell. Very good. There's the answer of Rabab. She's saying that animals and plant cells are different from each other. Yes, very nice. The basic, some things are same, means there's a nucleus, there's a cell membrane. There are some other organelles which are similar, but some are different. For example, if you see your screen, you can observe that the cell or the structure of the cell of the animal cell is somewhat irregular, but the plant cell structure is symmetrical. It is basically the circle shape or a symmetry. There's a symmetry of the plant cell. Now, why is that? There's a reason for that, because the plant cell has got a vacuole. Vacuole is the organelle which is going to store the fluid or the liquid part of the plant, and it is going to support the plant structure, right? Now we are going to see that the common parts of the animal and the plant cell.